So now we are doing a little wheelie tutorial, like going it from beginning if you don't have any experiences with wheelies. You should, first time you do it, you should do it in the first gear because you're not that fast and it's better to learn the control on the rear brake. So it's also good to train it on a little uphill. So your front wheel is better going up, and so it's maybe easier for you to learn the wheelie if you're really new for it. You're taking the clutch, you pull the clutch, and then you have to compress the fork and then put it up. You have to learn it from the beginning to learn the control with the rear brake, because that's the most important stuff. If you're wheeling in a flat area, you have to, it's better to just, you have to pull the front brake so the fork is compressing and you're getting it up, so you don't go too fast, because I think most problem of the guys who wants to learn wheelies, it's they just give gas and then they are too fast to find the balance point. So first time, because this is really hard to learn with the front brake, you do it on the uphill, because on the uphill you don't need the brake because it's a little steep, so you don't know. And then you start trying pulling the clutch a little bit up. You don't have to compress so much on the uphill, and then you're compressing at one time and pulling it up. But at the beginning you don't need to pull so much, but that's very important later, because you want to go slow at the beginning so you can continue and not getting too fast, because if you're getting too fast it won't work, the slow wheelie. So you start trying like this on the uphill. When you're learning this, you have to, you don't need a rear brake, but you do it sometimes. You put you push the rear brake, so you're going down and you have the feeling for the rear brake. So if you're coming into a situation where you need the rear brake, you know how to use it. And then you just first you get this feeling for just gas and the clutch, and later also for the rear brake. So
spoiled from the camera.
Yeah, and you have this other clutch.
I'm up.
Huh?
Yes, I'm good.
What is that?
The T is up.
Huh? Ah. You have it? I think too much clutch. I just pull.
Bravo, Dirtbike, ride it!